Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy if you are new here, and I am working on part 2 of this fun fall travel journal, and I'm going to be doing some decorating in it. I am going to sew on this cover onto my fall journal. I'm going to use the zigzag stitch, and I have it set at 5 height and 2.5 width. Here is how the zigzag stitch turned out. I'm not the straightest sewer, but I think that adds to it. I've gone back through my paper pads and pulled out some more papers. I primarily used this fall tapestry one and this autumn chill one. And I think this was from Joann's, and this one is definitely from Michael's. And I think I got both of them last year. So I'm going to go through, I want to add a few more pockets and just some little more decorations. So let's take a look here. So this is what I did on the inside here. Added a pocket, added this fabric to cover up the envelope, a little lace, and added this fun little pumpkin ribbon. So I got a pocket here. So I think on this page, I am going to do a tuck up in here. And I think I'm going to use this paper. I think that complements nicely. And then I'm going to add this little happy fall y'all onto the tuck. So let's cut this. Hope everyone's doing well. Let me know, do you like fall as much as I do? I absolutely love it. It's my favorite season. My husband always teases me. He's like, why would you like fall? Because winter always follows fall. And I said, well, I don't worry about winter. I just enjoy fall. It's not fall's fault that winter follows it. So I am going to see if I can do both of these at once. I probably can't. Ah, I did. Sweet. All right. Let's glue this in here. I couldn't find my circle punch and my corner punch when I was doing my pockets earlier, and I finally remembered I had packed a to-go bag when I went down to the lake, and I looked in the to-go bag, and I must have did a boy look because I didn't see them. And then finally I was like, I know they're in there. And so I did a proper look and found them. Because I do like a little rounded corner. I think it adds something. All right, and then I'm going to add this onto here. I might add a little bit of lace or something across the top. Let's see. Where is my lace? Show on my desk is a disaster. I mean, a straight up disaster. So I might add that. Or I could add a little fun orange to bring in the orange from over here. Maybe I'll do that. I'll glue this down first. I think I'm going to use my glue stick for this. Yeah, this has been a lot of fun making this one. Trying to keep this cutting mat here clean as much as I can. Awesome. All right, that looks great. All right. Think about this. Do I want to add something? All right, where is the end? Where are you? Ah, found you. Let's see, do I want to do that? I think I like that. I love these. They don't make them anymore. It's so sad. These adornments. I've been hoarding them forever, and I finally decided, you know, I just need to start using it. Okay, I think I like that. All right. Just trim this up. I'm so looking forward to our trip. I mean, I'm nervous about flying, but we'll have our mask on and we're fully protected, so I don't know if we'll have to get a booster soon or what, but I guess they'll let us know when they finally decided. But I'm looking forward to seeing my daughter and her friends, and I love going to Seattle in the fall. It's beautiful there. We're thinking about going down to Mount Rainier, so that'll be fun. Glue this on. So I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac on this one. I need to fill this back up. It's getting empty. You don't need much at all, just a little bit, because this is super thin here. It's so thin, it's hard for me to handle. There we go. Okay, looks nice. On this page, I thought this paper would go nicely with, you did the green. This is bundled sage. And then, you know, you have a little bit of this, you know, I don't know if it's a brown or whatever you want to call it, over here. So I thought that looked nice. And then I've pinned this here for now. I'm not sure if I'll leave it there, but I kind of like that one. For this page, I have this stamp. I got this, I'm pretty sure at Hobby Lobby. Could have been Michael's, but I love it. So I put that up here. And then I thought this paper went nicely with the colors over here, plus with this page showing in the background. So I'm going to add this here. I think what I might do on the first page is kind of put the things that we've been talking about doing while we're out there. So that'll kind of be fun. Let's see how many we actually get accomplished. Thinking about what restaurants we want to go to, and my daughter and her roommates, they want me to teach them how to cook a recipe, so they're going to pick what recipe they want, so one night we'll cook at their apartment. That looks adorable. So on this page, I used this Bubbles stencil, this one right here, and used my vintage photo to kind of take off the stark whiteness. So I thought these little circles was kind of fun and kind of ties in with the orange over here. I might do some more stamping over here, maybe add some washi tape, something, not quite sure what yet. Did a couple more pages. So on this one, I took this napkin and I peeled back the 2-ply, so it's a single ply, and then I Mod Podge it down. So I used the matte Mod Podge is what I prefer. And so I put that down first, then put the napkin down, and then put a coat of Mod Podge over the top of it. I might do one more coat, I haven't decided. And then I did this one here. I took this cut apart from the one of the paper packs and trimmed it up so it would fit on here. And then I cut a slit. So I've done this with envelopes where I'll make multi-pockets out of an envelope. So I thought I would add just one here. So I have a pocket here and then a pocket up here. So I like how that turned out. And then I have this little mushroom button. So I added that in here for in my center. And then here I did a collage. So this is the back of the map page. And I just took these papers and then a little snippet of the fabric for that little corner. And then this is Mount Rainier, which we're planning on going to visit. And then on this page, I had stenciled these leaf with the speckled egg distressed oxide. And then I Mod Podged this Space Needle. And then I made a little tuck out of this blue. And I might put this on here. I haven't decided yet. And I think that's all I've done so far. And then I think I showed you this already. So now I am going to work on this centerpiece here. And I'm going to trim this out and put this on here. See if I can trim this accurately. That looks pretty good. Do this side. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then I think I'll trim that down. I'm going to go ahead and trim a few more of these because I think I'm going to use some of these elsewhere. So while I'm at it, let's see, I think I'm going to use this here. So I took a little bit of a break and went to, we have a women's soccer team here in Louisville, and I went and watched them. I went with my sister-in-law. It was a beautiful day, so it was nice to be outside enjoying the weather. But they lost. They didn't play well at all. They're one of the new expansion teams, so I think it'll probably take them a few years before they get to be really good. But they have some good players. But I'll just take some time, I think. Alright, so I think I'll trim this down. see how I want to lay that out. So I think maybe autumn is my favorite, and then season by itself. Does that make sense? My favorite. Autumn is my favorite. Yeah, I think that'll work. So when we were at the lake back in August, my sister made dinner one night, and she made this just in the crock pot, chicken for chicken tacos, and it was so delicious. So I wanted to make it again, so I made it this past week, and it's so easy, y'all. Y'all have to try it. It's chicken. I use chicken tenders, or you can use chicken breast. Put them in the crock pot, and then I bought a jar of the Pace salsa, and put that jar of salsa in there, and then put the crock pot on low and let it cook all day, and then you shred the chicken. Oh my gosh, it's the most flavorful chicken tacos, and so super easy. So I think I might want to put a mat behind this. So let me figure out what color cardstock I want to do. I like that. What do y'all think? Or should I kind of spread it across the page? 2 pages, or just have it on 1 page? Autumn is, or have it all on 1? Well, let me find some paper to mat. There's a final little flip through for this part 2 video. So you've seen the cover. So here I added to this little strip right here. I think that adds a nice little touch. And here I added some little fabric tabs. Here I did a little stamping with a music stamp. And here's another tab. Here I added the autumn is my favorite season. Like how that turned out. And I decided I didn't need to mat it. Here I did the music stamp and added a little washi. Another one of those little tabs. And then I added another tab right here. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and watching me go through and decorate this. And I will see you all on the next video, and I hope you all hit the like button. I would appreciate it. Bye!